Gross.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in for another Monday morning cleaning motivation video. If you're new here, please hit that red subscribe button and comment down below to say hi. Today I'm working on tidying up the playroom and living room along with deep cleaning our couches and, as you'll see underneath them, which is gonna be exciting, y'all. Let's be real. So I hope your coffee's strong today as you tackle whatever you're cleaning or organizing, and yeah, let's get on into this.
My friend, sun goes down but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up breaking, but everything still works out in the end. No matter what they call it, no matter what they want it, they don't know there's no way they'll ever get it. Wind just blows but we keep on standing. We'll call it whatever that we want it. Don't you know there's no...
So my hubby was so funny when I set up the camera because he's like, oh my gosh, babe, do you want me to move? I'm gonna look so lazy. And I promise you he's not. He's actually super helpful. If I ask him to do something, he does it. But anyways, he's a musician and was practicing for a gig he was doing.
Time has been so hard on us, my friend, but through every night we keep on dancing. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up sneaking, but with you it's like the summer never ends. No matter what they call it, no matter what they want it, they don't know there's no way they'll ever get it. Wind just blows but we keep on standing. We'll call it whatever that we want it. Don't you know there's no way they'll ever get it. Wind just blows but
guys ready for this? Because I'm about to clean underneath my couch and I haven't touched it in like probably 6+ months. So we're gonna see what's underneath my couch right now. I'm a little terrified.
I'm road astray. It did not bother me. The sun is shining.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
You're what?
I clean.
You're cleaning? Where'd you find that at?
What?
Oh, are you cleaning the oven? Oh, I see. Nice, nice spray marks over there.
Can I help?
Oh dear.
Grab a rag, Clara.
There is water in there, babe. I need a water. Mama?
What, baby?
Mommy? I didn't clean this.
Oh, you're gonna clean that? Good helper. All right, B, let's get to it.
Time is moving still, and you are here with me. A house upon the hill, and a little apple tree. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, wait and look out through the window pane where the sun will shine again. Where the sun will shine again.
I honestly wasn't sure what to expect when we pulled this cushion off, but thankfully this one wasn't too bad. And of course the kids are wanting to help. More like take off with the treasures that we found under the couch, because of course we found all sorts of stuff.
Whoa! Hey, guess what I found?
What did you find,
The remote!
Oh, nasty!
This is gross. You might want to pull the camera in on that one. Oh, and there's gum right there.
Oh my gosh, no!
This was the.
Gosh, you guys, look how nasty this is. Like, this is so embarrassing. Oh
And so we're showing the world.
my gosh, so we're showing the world the grossness. Behave.
Well, that's not even. There, here we go. There's the full amount that's underneath there. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And then all that fell out.
And there's gum or something
Or something.
I don't know what it is.
Let's find out.
Candy? This is disgusting.
Yeah, it looks like some sort of candy.
I might have to just pull this off and wash it now.
Yeah, you might want
This
to.
one is really
This
nasty.
one's really gross.
Oh my.
Maybe both of these actually.
Oh yeah, I'll definitely do both of those. That is so nasty. Oh my gosh.
I wanna start up something new. I wanna see things I have never seen before.
Am I like the only one who loses sippy cups everywhere? Because, yeah, I feel like we buy these ones like, I don't know, like 10 every couple months or so, and then they get really gross.
I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to. Just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you. Tell me that you want it too. Just wanna be alone with you. I try my best to concentrate. I try my best to keep my mind and my head straight. I've been feeling as of late that all I wanna do is go out somewhere new.
Okay, ladies, here's a question for you. Is it even possible to be mad at your partner if they're cleaning? I mean, let's be real. It's amazing.
Run away with you. I don't really care where to. Just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you. Tell me that you want it too. Just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you. I don't really care where to. Just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you. Tell me that you want it too. Just wanna be alone.
And the next project after this is to get these slip covers cleaned because I'm going to be using them at the new place that we're moving because there are couches there that I would rather not my children destroy. So slip covers for the win with that.
Tell me that you want it too. Just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with I wanna run away with
Well, if you enjoyed this cleaning video, please make sure to hit that like button and comment down below. Also, if you're new, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in next week's Monday morning cleaning motivation video. I hope you guys have a lovely week. Bye.